You're under a tornado warning. You need to be inside your home in an interior room with sustained winds of 71 miles per hour. This is the area where we're keeping our eyes into the Gulf of Mexico and down into the Caribbean. Very low in the Atlantic and has an 80% chance of development over the next 5 days. These showers not making it very far inland at all. That's what it feels like when you factor in the humidity. It's very weak. It'll be moving off the coast, but it could bring a few slight showers. Are expecting some changes coming up by midweek. We'll give you the full forecast coming up after the break. When you have to celebrate 68 as a low, you know you're definitely a Floridian. Not much chance of rain for Friday, so I'm expecting my thank you.
I got you this tablet.
Look at these temperatures right now, still sitting in the upper 50s, near 60 degrees right now. We will see these temperatures drop a little bit more going into tonight, but as these temperatures continue to fall just a little bit tonight, look at where they are, very close to the dew point temperature. So with that, when our temperature gets close to the dew point, our air parcel saturates, condenses, and we get fog. So all that sciencey goodness aside, you're going to see some fog tonight. Patchy in nature. I don't think we'll see dense fog going into the morning hours, but be careful as you're heading out Monday morning. A little groggy after such a wonderful weekend. Yeah, it can cause a few problems. Winds are light this evening, so don't expect much of a change with the fog tonight into tomorrow. But you'll notice today we had mostly a southerly influence. We had a breeze coming in off the water. It was generally from the south, and that's a pattern that's going to continue into the rest of the week, and it's not going to bring us rain per se. Storm vision is all quiet right now. We did have a few showers hanging out in the Big Bend, but those are not the showers we're looking for. Those will come later on in the week, Tuesday into Wednesday. We're looking at a system approaching, trying to cool us down for the holiday weekend, but it doesn't look like that's going to be the case as high pressure builds in later in the week, keeping the temperatures warm, keeping us mostly dry with the exception of the scattered showers going on into the later of the week. But until then, dry and warm. That is the pattern we're going into. We had a few clouds going through today, but otherwise, yeah, just dry. Barely enough moisture to create that fog going into tonight. And as we head into the next couple of days, remaining dry. I think this model here is overdoing it on the cloud cover, but what I want you to pay attention to here is these little wind barbs, generally from the south, going into your Monday. So expect things to be warm. We're getting that warm influence of air coming in. So our temperatures, yeah, probably near 80 degrees several times for the high this week. So don't be surprised. We'll still have cooler nights, so it'll be pleasant. It won't be summertime hot, but we will have above average temperatures on the order of about 10 degrees going into each afternoon this week. And then, of course, our rain chances are increasing. Like I said, Tuesday going into Wednesday, that's the big time that we're looking at there for the best rain chances. But still, even at that, scattered in nature. For tonight's low, we're keeping it pretty mild, going to 56 before sunrise. Few clouds out there, but overall should be a nice evening. Once again, watch out for that patchy fog going into your Monday morning. Warming it up throughout the afternoon with plenty of sunshine, a few clouds in the way. 79 for the afternoon high temperature. Winds from the southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Same can be said out on the seas. Generally a southerly flow there, right around 10 knots at Cedar Key, 5 to 10 knots in St. Augustine. So we're looking at smooth seas there, right around 2 feet, maybe less along the eastern coast there. And the next 7 days, this is what we're talking about. 79 for Monday, 80 for Tuesday. Going into Wednesday, we drop a little bit going into Thursday afternoon because that's when we're expecting the showers to come through. But this weekend, looks like it's going to be a warm one, and everybody's been focusing on that because you want to know, is it going to be cool for Christmas? Well, right now, there's a very slight chance, but I feel like it's looking like it's going to be another Florida winter.
If you're from Florida and you've lived here for a while, you kind of expect it.
Dave and Paige, we are here at Swamphead Brewery where the Taste of Gainesville is about to kick off for its 7th year in a row. And if you're not familiar with the event, we're going to have a lot of food, a lot of beer, and a lot of entertainment. And do you guys have a goal that you're trying to raise for?
To raise enough money to go to all of our tournaments.
The Tree of Life is much like a family tree of all organisms known to man.
The City Plan Board will be holding their meeting at 6:30. Before that, everyone's gathering here to gather their thoughts. They want to have their voices heard at tonight's meeting.